everyone, I am Micah Guidry. I am the manager here at LaBelle Cosmetic Surgery Center.
Hi, I'm Dr. J. Apura. I'm the cosmetic surgeon here.
And today we're going to talk about the differences between Botox and fillers and answer different questions that patients have for us, and also go into detail about who's right for each individual injection. So let's talk about Botox first and tell them the differences between Botox.
Botox is different from fillers. A lot of patients have confusion between the two. Botox is a medication that paralyzes muscles and eliminates wrinkles by paralyzing muscles. As opposed to the fillers, fillers fill up little lines and little spaces. It's a physical filler. They don't paralyze muscles. They can be sometimes used in different areas alternatively, but generally speaking, Botox is good for lines created by muscles, and fillers are good for passive lines like a skin line, skin creases.
So, okay, Botox would be good for upper face because these muscles move more and create deeper lines, correct?
Yes. Botox is commonly used to paralyze the muscles in the forehead, to get the number 11 sign between the eyebrows, and also get all the lines out of the forehead, the smile lines and such. Sometimes they can also be used around the mouth, but they can cause some functional difficulties later on, because mouth being an organ where we need to eat, smile and everything else, you have to be very careful when you use it around the mouth. But fillers can be used around the mouth, around the nasolabial folds and marionette lines. You can fill the lines that will not affect the function of the muscles.
Okay. And each Botox and fillers, when they're talking about longevity and how long they last, is it a permanent situation, or is it only certain months that it lasts?
Yeah, Botox lasts approximately 3.5 to 4 months. But some people it only lasts about 2.5 months. But others it lasts about 6 months, 5 months. It depends, but average is about 3.5 to 4 months. It needs to be repeated every time. One of the issues is Botox paralyzes the muscle. You give the injection, in 3.5 to 4 months, the muscles come back to full activity. If you try to hit it right on time again and again, the paralysis lasts longer and you get slightly longer lasting results over time. Fillers are injected along the crease lines, the smile lines and all, around the mouth, around the face anywhere. They fill up fine creases and they last approximately 4 to 6 months. Some of them last longer, some of them shorter. There are so many fillers available in the market. They all have different characteristics, but most commonly used ones are hyaluronic acid based fillers. So they last approximately 6 months. Of course, individual responses vary. We have to discuss that separately.
So hyaluronic acid fillers would be called semi-permanent fillers because they don't last as long?
Yeah, they're not permanent at all, in fact. They're not semi-permanent, they're temporary fillers. They last approximately 6 months. You have to do it again. So
Botox and fillers, once it goes away, the patient goes back to what they look like before. It's not going to change. Okay. Exactly.
One of the benefits of it is, if you don't like it, you don't have to repeat it. And fillers can be reversed. We have another injection called hyaluronidase that will reverse the filler effect immediately if it's not accurate. But most people do not need it. Whereas Botox cannot be reversed except by time.
Okay. So fillers are immediate result. You fill the areas, the patient looks at it, they see what they're getting, and that's it. And Botox takes how long before you start seeing the results?
Yeah, Botox, somewhere between 2 to 7 days it takes. The maximum effects start in about 7 days. In 2 days it starts working. It's not immediate, it's not the same day. Whereas fillers are immediate effects. You can take a photograph before and after injection, you see the results immediately.
So of course there's differences between Botox and fillers, different brands. Here at LaBelle, for Botox we use Botox Cosmetic, and for fillers we have options like Juvederm and Bellatero and different seasonal fillers. So just call and schedule your appointment.
Yeah, each company claims to be better than the other. Basically, all hyaluronic acid based fillers, which are the most common, are very similar in effect. Some last a little longer. It really the individual's body responses that make the difference. But there are some other fillers not based on hyaluronic acid, such as Radiesse and different types of fillers. They are rarely used. There are specific indications for that. There are more complications to that. They do last longer, and some of them cause beaded appearance. So be very careful to get into it and talk in detail about it before you do that.
So when you're ready and you're interested in Botox or fillers, you come in for a consult, you meet with Dr. J, and he'll tell you which option is better for you out of the different brands that we use, correct?
Yes, of course. I'll be able to explain all the details about the choices available and which part of the face takes Botox as opposed to fillers, and we can combine the two as we need.
Okay, thank you.